Hey everybody, it's Divinity. I am outside in Storm Stella. Storm Stella. It's crazy out here. You can see my face. The snow is coming down. It feels hard, like it's mixed with ice. Right now it's about maybe 8:40 in the morning, and the snow is not up too high yet. Maybe about 4 inches, but it is coming down a lot, and it's coming down hard. It hurts, and it's so windy out here. I do see some people. I don't know if they're going to work. I know the city is closed down. I see this store opened up. The supermarket is open. I seen a bus or two go by. This is upper Manhattan. I'm in New York City. The wind is blowing. It hurts. Oh my God. The snow is coming down so hard. Like the wind is blowing crazy right now. Like I'm about to go right over. It hurts. The snow hurts. It's hitting me. Feels like it's mixed with ice, like hail. I got my snow boots on, so I am able to walk in what seems like about 4 inches of snow. Can't tell you exactly what it is. Yeah, so, oh my goodness. Storm Stella. All the schools are closed. I see a few people out here, but not too many. The snow is coming down like the size. Some are dime size. Some look like quarter size or nickel size snowflakes. And when they hit you, it stings. Like my face is hurting right now. I don't see many people. Oh my goodness, it hurts so bad. Yeah, there's not many people out here, and I can see why. I'm a foolish girl to be out here, but I had to get this report to you. I'm actually going somewhere too. I'm going over to my church. But yeah, so this is what it's like in New York City, people. I turned the corner and that wind is not hitting me so bad right now. I'm thankful. Now it's just like the snow falling. I hope you can see. I'm gonna turn it around. See if you see what it looks like. Yeah, it's some kind of day. I have to go to work in the lower Manhattan today. I'm not sure if I could make it down there. I'm gonna see if the trains is working. I heard the trains that's over, like that's above ground, are closed down. But we'll see what happens. So this is Storm Stella, snowing in New York City. Snowstorm, cold, windy, flakes all over the place. Hardly no people in the streets. Hardly no cars in the streets. No children going to school. Yeah. So everybody stay warm if you're in New York City. If you're just looking from wherever you are, you're lucky. And please subscribe to this video. And please, if you got any comments about what's going on, please put it below. And please subscribe. And please share this video with others. This is Divinity. Bye.